Understanding the maintenance log, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the term maintenance log. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, especially related to technical and mechanical fields. So, let's dive in and understand what a maintenance log is all about. The phrase, maintenance log, consists of two words, maintenance and log. Let's look at each word separately. Maintenance refers to the process of keeping something in good condition by checking or repairing it regularly. This could be anything from a car to a building. Log, in this context, is a record or a document that lists events, actions, or observations over time. When combined, a maintenance log is a record that keeps track of maintenance activities performed on equipment, machinery, or systems. A maintenance log is crucial for several reasons. 1. Record keeping. It provides a detailed record of all maintenance activities. 2. Safety and efficiency. Regular maintenance ensures the safe and efficient operation of equipment. 3. Problem prevention. It helps in identifying recurring issues and preventing future problems. 4. Legal and compliance. In some industries, maintaining a log is required for regulatory compliance. To give you a better idea, let's look at some examples. In a car, a maintenance log might include records of oil changes, brake checks, and tire rotations. For a building, it could list dates of plumbing checks, electrical inspections, or roof repairs. Understanding these examples can help you grasp the practical applications of a maintenance log. I hope this video has helped you understand what a maintenance log is and why it's important. Remember, it's more than just a diary of repairs. It's a crucial tool for ensuring safety, efficiency, and compliance in many areas of life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.